So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to repost autoplay video on Instagram story. Lot of Instagram users also reported to repost autoplay video not working on Instagram story. So guys, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. In this tutorial I will show you how to fix repost autoplay video not working on Instagram story. So guys, now please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. Now first one important things is first of all strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and open the App Store. In App Store top corner search bar search Instagram. In Instagrams make sure any updates available. So guys, please make sure update your Instagram applications. Update Instagram after again come back in home screens. Now open the Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android. Question is how to repost autoplay video on your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, please make sure bottom search icon and tap on the anyone normal video. The normal video after you can see also share icon and tap on the add to story. In add to story you can see also autoplay video not working on Instagram story. So guys, how to fix that issue on my iPhone and Android devices. First solution is first of all open the App Store and make sure update your Instagram applications. Now second solution is right hand side bottom profile icon, tap on the settings. In settings scroll down and select the account. You can see also scroll down and select the data uses. In data uses you can see also this type interface show in your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, first one option is uses less mobile data. If you turn on your iPhone and iPad, so guys please make sure turn off. These two general solution for that issue, so guys you can easily fix your problems. These two solutions apply after cannot be working on my Instagram story. I can play a normal video on my Instagram story but still not autoplay on my Instagram story. How to fix? Now I will show you third solution for that issue, so guys you can easily fix your problems 100%. Now first of all again strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Now open the App Store. In App Store you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar search repost for the Instagram. So guys, now search after you can see also this type interface. Now scroll down after you can see also these applications download install on your iPhone and Android. This app link I give you on my description, so guys please check out my description. Guys, these applications download after open on your iPhone and Android devices. Now you can see also bottom open Instagram options available. So guys, please make sure tap on that. Now you can see also in Instagram bottom search icon. So guys, simply tap on that. Now select the anyone normal video on your iPhone and iPad. Normal video select after you can see also right hand side corner 3 dots and select the copy link. Copy link after again come back in that applications. Now sometime wait, then automatically this detected Instagram link. So guys, simply tap on yes. Now you can see also all the details about on your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, simply tap on the repost. Repost after wait for the sometimes, then automatically add skip. So guys, now you can see also open and repost options available. So guys, simply press on that. This option too you can easily redirect to Instagram story on your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, now you can see also repost autoplay video on Instagram story in iPhone and Android devices. So guys, now you can see also bottom share icon. So guys, you can easily share story on your Instagrams. So guys, this way too you can easily normal video autoplay on your Instagram story. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.